wanted to build my tortoises a little pond to climb in and out of, but I didn't want to just use bricks and, you know, have to worry about them, you know, moving them constantly. They're heavy to clean, and have to do a bunch of, you know, rearranging things every time I, you know, want to move the pond or clean the little, not really a pond, little, you know, water feature or trough for them to get into and cool off and drink from and such as that. So I built a little cradle here out of 2x4s and set it up to where the tub will set right down, and then I took a bunch of like scrap bone pieces I use for my my other builds and cut them to kind of, you know, be a little bit of a ramp up, and kind of forming it a little bit to kind of look like rock. I'll dry lock it, of course, and then the tub will just kind of set right in. So that's kind of what I came up with. So I'll add another little video to it towards the end to show the finished product. And of course there'll be a couple of you know, concrete blocks in there to allow them to climb out much easier. They're not going to be able to climb out those smooth sides. So I will put some video of that up when I'm done. I'm close. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I had the scrap foam. I was going to toss it, but I usually try to hang on to a few pieces just to be on the safe side, and so these worked out pretty good. All right, so threw this thing together yesterday, roughed it up, threw some paint on it, and some dry lock, I mean, and it's pretty much finished. So this is kind of the base. I don't know if you can tell, but this is very, you know, you can see the texture, easy to grip, you know, things to get their little feet on. And so it'll go in the enclosure. And as far as changing the water, this will allow them, you know, to walk up easily in and out of the water. And you know, you'll see I got a couple of landscaping bricks that'll go in the pan to keep it, you know, them from not being able to get out. But basically, that's the cradle. There's the pan. So, you know, I used old spare foam that was laying around, little pieces that I keep whenever I do my backgrounds. Some old 2x4s, kind of built the cradle, and now the pan goes in. So we're about to take it out and put it in the enclosure for them. All right, so we're wrapped on this thing. Now you can see it's kind of set in. It's got the blocks in. That'll keep them from not being able to get out. It's porous, so they can grip with their claws. The pan really set down well to where, you know, it's not a big obstacle for them to get over. Even my little guy, I checked to make sure he can't get wedged in between the shell or the bricks there, and I've actually got a couple of extra little small bricks that I may throw in there just to be on the safe side. You know, they get soakings in their little kiddie pool, you know, for a while, a couple times, sometimes a couple times a day, but I wanted them to have something that would allow them to, you know, use at their will. So yeah, let's see. And yeah, he went on ahead and christened the pool, so we'll have to change that. Let's make sure. Perfect. All right, that worked out good. My little guy, he's, come on, tell her to get out of your way. help him out. And I'll probably throw a couple more little bricks in here just to be on the safe side. So, and of course the sun's already past noon, so the sun will be on the water, keep it warm for a little bit each day, and then you know, it'll get over. I think it's, you know, it's afternoon, so, and we're on Central Time in Texas, so I think it worked out good. It actually looks like concrete. It's not heavy. If I need to move it around, I can pick it up and move it. It's easy to clean the water. You just pull the bricks out and then dump the water and refill it. So I'm very pleased. Let's see if my little guy can make it. He loves the water. He gets in quite a bit. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to put a couple of bricks in on one side of it just to make it easier for him. I have no doubt that he can make it out of there, but I don't want to take a chance. You know, they stay in this thing when they're not in their little tub over there that's I kind of move them into at night, throw the cover on, but they stay in here quite a bit. There we go. Perfect. So yeah, this is the fake concrete turtle pond. It's a wrap.